Okay, we are starting right now standard form and usual form. It is one of the most important topic from where the question is generally asked in the board exam for the 8th class. So see, standard form. When I have started that particular chapter, so in the introduction part, I have told you what is the standard form. Right now again we will see what is the standard form. Actually, standard form says that any of the number which is given to me, so I have to convert that particular number into the range, into the small range. And what is that range particular decided here? 1.0 to 10.0. In between 1.0 till 10.0, I will consider the number, means the range of the question is the in between 1 to 10, including all the decimal numbers. Okay, and into multiplication with 10 power, into multiplication with 10 power of 10, and that power of 10 it may be either positive, that power of 10 it may be either negative, and that's why I have written here 10 to the power x oblique 10 to the power minus x. So what is the standard form? Nothing. Any of the number which is coming in between 1.0 to the 10.0, multiplication with power of 10, and that power of 10 either it may be positive, either it may be negative. So that is all about the standard form. And right now see the question, very easy. Right now see what is the question. Question is that find the standard form, convert into the standard form. I will write down here, convert into standard form. Generally this question in the 8th class, it is RBSC board, generally it is asked in the 4 marks. 2 questions will be asked to you and each question will consist of 2 marks. So see the question, very easy. 126 and how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No problem. So that 126, I will convert that 126 in form of the 1.26. 126, what I will do, actually what I have to do for the standard form, nothing, only I will consider one digit, only I will consider one digit before the point. I will consider one digit before the point and I will write down, okay, let me give you the more logic. First I will write down 126 into, that can be written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many zeros are there? 5. So that I will write down 10 to the power 5. This is the easy logic for you, I think. Okay, that 126 and how many zeros are there? 5 0. That can be written 126 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, in the 2 steps I will solve it. And after that see the thing, that 126 it may be written 1.26 into 100. It is clear for you. 1.26 into 100, then only I will get 126. That 126 can be written 1.26 into 100. It is clear for you. And then only, and that 10 to the power 5, actually it is remained. I will give you the shortcut also. First I am explaining you all the things and after that I will give you the short trick also. See, again 126 into how many zeros are there? 5, according to that 10 to the power 5. That 126 either it can be written, see the things, actually I want to convert that 126 into that particular range in between 1.0 to 10.0, so that I can write down 1.26 because I have considered the point here 0.26, so that I will, if you will solve this in rough copy, see here 1.26 into 100, so what you will get? 12600. After the 2 digits you have to consider points, so again you will get the same thing, 126. So that logic I am applying here. And right now see this particular thing, 1.26, right now it is coming in that particular range, 1.0 to till 10.0, in that particular range it is coming. So that was actually my problem. Right now this 100 can be written 10 square and already 10 to the power 5 is there. So what is my answer? 1.26 into 10 to the power, that 5 and 2 will become 10 to the power 7 according to the exponent rule. So directly I can write down. Right now see the short trick. This is the first question, that's why I have solved completely for you. But from the next question I will apply the short trick. See the thing, very easy. That particular only I am. What is the short trick here? What is the short trick here? whenever I am working on the standard form, one thing I have to consider, before the point only one digit, before the point only one digit, so only one digit is there, 5. Rest of the things are the 0, so no need to worry. So that either it can be written 5.0, 5 point, no problem, either it can be written 5 into what, 1 2 3 4 5, directly 10 to the power 5, answer. Very easy. That problem was very easy. See the things, 5, 1 2 3 4 5 into 10 to the power 5, that is the answer. In the third question, it is little typical, because the things are given in the very smaller number is given to me, 0.00008, very smaller number. So but that range, what is the range given to me, 1.0 till 10.0. So for coming that particular range, what I am doing here, see the things, that can be written 8 upon, actually when I am solving this, what it is written, 8 upon 1 2 3 4 5. After the point, how many things are coming, 1 2 3 4 5. So after the 1, how many zeros I have to add, 1 2 3 4 5. It is okay? I think it is okay. Yes. And after that, what I will do, see the things one by one. That can be written 8 upon 10 to the power 5. Either it is okay for you? Yes, it is okay for you. And right now the things can be written 8 into 10 to the power minus 5. Why? Because that 10 to the power 5, that is the positive exponent. But I have to represent that particular thing, I have to transfer on the numerator side. So if I am solving it, 8 into 10 to the power, when this particular thing will come into the numerator, that positive exponent, it is converted into the negative form. So that is my answer here. See, same thing I will solve here also. What this can be written, 87 upon count. After the point, how many things are coming, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 70. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 2 more digits, 7 or 2, 9. So after the 1, how many zeros will be there, 9. So 3 0, 4 5 6 0, 7 8 9 0. And again the things will be same, 87, see the things here again, 87 upon 10 to the power 9. Things are clear for you? Yes, yes, yes. But right now this thing can be written 87 into 10 to the power 9. It is okay? Yes. Sorry, 10 to the power minus 9. 87 upon 10 to the power minus 9. But this is not in the standard form. Why it is not in the standard form? Because that 87, it is exceeding the value 10. That particular thing, it should be that I will convert 8 point something. That I will convert 8 point something. So what I will do here, see the things. That thing can be written, see the 87. 87 can be written 8.7 into 10. It is okay for you? Yes. 8.7 into 10, if you will solve this, 87 will come. Into 10 to the power minus 9 is already here. Only I am changing the form of it. So what is the answer coming right now? 8.7 into, see the things. In the case of the multiplication, again that rule will come, exponent rule. So minus 9 and 1. If you will solve this both the power, addition of this both, 1 minus 9 will give me what? 10 to the power minus 8. This is the answer. Little typical question. But I am giving the shortcut for this particular thing. See, what is the shortcut rule? Shortcut. See the shortcut rule here again. Okay, again I am considering the same question. Where I should consider, I should rub the board. See this particular thing here again. See the thing again. 0 point, how many zeros are there? 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and after that 87. That was the whole sole method. This was the complete method from where you can understand. But right now I am going to apply shortcut. Shortcut rule. See the thing? Nothing. Directly I will get the answer. Directly I will get the answer. Nothing. Only what I have to do, I have to just see how many digits I have to transfer before the point. That 7 will be into 10 to the power. Whenever you are working on the point digit, whenever the things are given less than 1 digit, so directly you will come to know that whatever the answer will come, it will come in form of the 10 power minus something. 10 power minus something. Why? Because we are actually working on the smaller digits. And when we are working on the bigger digits which are more than 1, So definitely that 10 power will come into the positive form. So right now see what I am doing. Count the things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 zeros are there. And one particular digit 8 is also there. And that 8 will move on the left hand side of the point. So how many digits are going on that particular side? 7 0 and 1 8. Total how many? 8. 8 things will transfer there. So 10 to the power minus 8. And directly I can write down 8.7. What is the question? 7 I am not counting here. Why? Because that 7 is already, you can see, it is coming after the point. It is coming after the point. See, so many questions I can solve here. 0.00039. If this is the question, so what will be the answer? I will count this particular thing. 9 I am not going to count. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. And I will write down 3.9. One more question I am solving. 0.00000. How many zeros you can say? 7985. If this is the question. If this is the question, see what I have to do. Nothing. Only I have to see the things. How many digits will be go there from here? How many zeros are coming in between 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros are coming and only 7 will go there. Only 7 will go there. Why? Because again because that particular range, to maintain that particular range. So I will write down 7.9885 into 10 power minus, I am knowing it because the power is coming in form of the negative number, because this is the very smaller digit as compared to the 1. So how many digits I am going to transfer here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 to the power minus 6. So this is the direct shortcut method, okay, where we need not to apply the logic. And after that we will work on the usual form. Usual form and standard form both are opposite to each other. For example, if I will ask you what is the opposite of day, you will give me the answer night. Same like that, they both are opposite to each other. See the thing, if the question is asked standard form, convert the thing into the standard form. So what form it is asking the question? In form of the usual form. Usual form is given, then only I am converting the question then only I am getting the answer in form of the standard form. And here the opposite thing is coming. Things are given in form of the standard form. Things are given in form of the standard form and I will just solve it. Very easy. Right now very easy. See the thing. 1.76 into 10 to the power 6. So what I will write down? It is a very simple rule. Okay, multiplication of the decimal rule. So it is written 176 into first. See the thing. I am solving for you all the things. 10 to the power 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And after that I will solve. You have studied it. How many zeros are there? 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. After how many digit I have to put point from the last? So there are after the point there are two digits. Sorry. After the point there are 2 digits. So from the last I will consider 2 digits, 1 and 2, and I will put point here. And these both the digits will be useless for me, and according to that my answer will come 176. And how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. That is my answer in the usual form. And if you will take this particular thing and you will try to convert into the standard form, so again you will get the question. See what I will write down, 1.76 into 10 square, and these are the 10 to the power 4. So again I will get the same thing, 1.76 10 to the power 246. See, same thing I have explained you in the standard form also. Okay. Second question. My second question is the little typical, 3.972 into 10 to the power minus 3. That is my third question. Actually I should rub the board so that you will not confused. See the thing. In the second question, this particular question, it is the very smaller question. Very small digits. 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 4. See the thing. What actually I will give you the short trick also. I will give you the short trick also. First I am applying the short trick. How? How I am doing short trick? See the thing. How I am applying the short trick? See, 10 to the power minus 4 will indicate me that point will shift 4 digits more. That point will shift from right to left 4 digits more. Okay. 10 to the power minus 4 will indicate me that particular point I have to shift 4 digits more. So if I am shifting the point 4 digits more, So what I am getting first? 2. Means 2 is the first digit. And after that again 3 digits are not there. So I will take the help of 0. Meaning is that before the point how many zeros will be there? 3. Then only it will countable 4 digits. If I want to shift the point 4 digits on the left hand side towards the left hand side, so 2 will be the first digit and that 30 will come in. Right now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing I was explaining you in the another term. 2 is my first digit, so how many zeros I have to add? Only 3. And for the balancing, one more 0 will be there. So that is the answer directly. Very easy. Right now I will solve this particular thing in the another way. This is the short trick actually. 10 to the power minus 4 will indicate me point